Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to post Reels videos on LinkedIn. This is a fantastic way to share short-form video content with your professional network and increase your visibility on the platform. Let's dive right in and get your reel posted. First, you'll want to navigate to LinkedIn by opening your web browser and typing in linkedin.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your profile where you'll be posting your reel. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage feed. Here you'll notice a section at the top that says Start a Post. This is your hub for creating all types of content on LinkedIn. Look for the option labeled Video directly underneath or within this Start a Post area and click on it. This will open up the video posting interface where you can upload your reel. Now you'll see different video format options appear. Locate and click on the Reels option. LinkedIn has made it easy to distinguish between regular videos and Reels, so you should see this clearly labeled. Clicking on Reels ensures that your content will be formatted and displayed as a short-form vertical video, which is perfect for quick, engaging content that captures attention. Once you've selected your Reels option, the platform will prompt you to choose the video file from your device. Select the reel you want to upload from your files. After your video is selected and uploaded, LinkedIn will process it briefly. You might need to wait just a moment while the platform prepares your reel for posting. Once that's done, click Next to move forward with finalizing your post. At this stage, you'll have the opportunity to add context to your reel. There's a text box where you can input a message if you'd like. This message could be a caption explaining what the reel is about, adding relevant hashtags, or tagging people or companies. Adding a thoughtful message can help increase engagement and give your audience more context about what they're watching. However, if you prefer to let the video speak for itself, you can leave this blank. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, click the Post button. This will publish your reel to your LinkedIn feed, making it visible to your connections and followers. Your reel is now live and ready to engage your professional network. And that's it. You've successfully posted a reel video on LinkedIn, giving your content a modern, dynamic edge. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.